Hello everyone, today we are going to explain how to configure OSPF in multi-area. In this picture, you see there is a area 0 and this is area 1 and this is area border router. So this is two different area, right? Area 1 and area 0. Then we will configure area 1 as well as area 0 or backbone area. Then we try to check we are able to reach this network using OSPF. Let's see how to configure it. First of all, we are logging one router. This is our backbone router or area 0 area router. So login the router, there is no configuration. We can also change the identity system to identity like area 0 and go to the IP2 address plus 192.168.1.1/24. The interface will be Ethernet 1. The point-to-point IP is 172.16.0.1/30. Interface will be Ethernet 2. Very good. Then we need to configure OSPF. How to configure OSPF? Routing OSPF go to the network, click plus and assign the network /30. Another is 192.168.1.0/24. Apply OK. There is some documentation here as well, like you should assign first LAN IP assign done, peering IP assign done, peering ABR. Okay, now we are going to configure ABR. So our area 0 configuration is done. Let's configure ABR. Yes, this is another new router. ABR. Apply OK. This router Ethernet 2 is connected to area 0 or backbone and Ethernet 3 is connected to area 1. In that case, go to the IP2 address first, assign IP 172.16.0.2/30. The interface will be Ethernet 2. Very good. 10.0.0.1/30. Interface will be Ethernet 3. Okay. This is area border router, right? This interface is connected to backbone or area 0 and this interface is connected to area 1. Now you need to create routing to OSPF area. Click plus. Routing OSPF area, then create plus, then create a new area. Then go to the network plus, if you go to IP2 address, you can see the network. Our 172.16.0.0/30, this is connected to backbone area, whereas one 0.0/30, this will be area 1. Nice. So our area border router configuration is done. Now let's go to the area 1. We are logging another router. Yes, this is also resetted router. Okay, there is no configuration. We can put the name system to identity. Area 1. Then assign IP address, IP2 address 10.0.0.2/30. Interface will be Ethernet 3. Then our LAN 192.168.2.1/24. The interface will be Ethernet 1. And now go to the routing to OSPF, click area, then click plus, put the area ID, then go to the network, click plus and assign those network, right? 10.0.0.0/30. Area will be area 1 and click plus 192.168.2.0/24. You can keep it area 1 as well, no problem. Now let's log in the area 0 router. You can go to the route IP2 routes. You can see 172.160.2 is reachable, right? Now if we ping now we are in this router, so we try to ping 172.16.0.1. yes, now we can reach this network. Okay, we can go move forward, we can reach this one as well. Now we are trying to ping 10 network, 10.0.0. 1. Also you can able to reach 10 network. If we ping like in this network, this is area 1, so we try to ping 168.2.1. yes, it's also reachable, right? It takes some time, but it's reachable. If we go to the IP routes, both are reachable, right? Okay, thank you for watching.